Okay, welcome to this video tutorial. Yes, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to target your competitors audience. Yes, if you sell things online, maybe you sell physical products or digital products, and you want to know the audience that your competitors are targeting, you need to watch this video because I'll be showing you what they are targeting on their Facebook advert, on their Facebook ad. I'm going to be showing you the audience they are targeting. So let's get into it real quick. As you can see, here is my Facebook feed. Yeah, and you can see an ad on my page, on my screen right now. Sales breakthrough is a sponsored ad. Now, the reason why I'm seeing this ad is because this ad is either one, I've shown interest to stuff related to this, or number two, I am a lookalike audience. I believe you know what a lookalike audience is if you are running Facebook ad. The two reasons is because I have shown interest to stuff related like this, either by liking a page that talks about what this guy is talking about here. Let's see what he's talking about. The simple and effective way to increase sales. Sure, I've shown interest to stuff like this that are talking about how to sell more of your product online, how to get more leads. I've shown interest to this stuff. That is why I'm seeing this ad right here on my page. So most ads you see on your page, on your feed, is because you've shown interest to stuff related to that. That is why you are seeing them on your feed. It's as simple as that. Now, how can we see those words that this guy here is targeting? How can I know the interest based he's targeting? It is very simple. All you want to do is click on these three dots you are seeing above here. You can see at the top right corner, these three dots. You click on them. Now, this is what came out. You want to go down to where you have why am I seeing this ad? Why am I seeing this ad? You click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you some important details of the reason why you are seeing this ad, and there you can see some interest base this very guy is targeting, and you can implement that. If you sell physical products like this guy, you want to go to your Facebook ad and your ad creative, and you implement that in your detailed targeting. Now let's see why you are seeing this ad. Sales breakthrough wants to reach people like you. Now, like I told you, it's either you are a lookalike audience or you have shown interest to stuff related like this. Okay, right here, the reason I'm saying this stuff is because I am a lookalike audience. That is why I'm saying this stuff. Now, you say he sets their age between 22 and 55. That is the people he's targeting on Facebook. People from the age of 22 to 25. You can see. You can pick this and use it in your ad. So if you sell something related to this guy, maybe if you sell a course on how to generate more leads or how to grow your business, you can use what he's using here. His primary location is Nigeria. You can see that. So let's go to another ad. Let's see if you can see another ad that's going to give us more details. That is how to see the interest base. Let's scroll if we can see another ad that's going to show. Now you can see this ad is performing very well. You can see that. So this is a guy that you can model what he's doing. Now if you are scrolling on your page, on your feed, and you see ads that are performing very well and they are what you are interested in, like maybe you sell a physical product, for example, and you see ads like that that is related to what you sell on your field, make sure you click on it, click on those three dots and click on why am I seeing this ad. Some of you are going to see the reason why you are seeing this ad is because you look alike audience. That is, you look like those audience he has targeted before. No, or you can see the interest base. Maybe you've shown interest in kitchen appliances. For those that sell kitchen tools online, maybe you have shown interest in kitchen appliances, and maybe if you have liked pages or group, you are in those groups or pages, those ads are going to show to you because you have interacted with something like that. It is very simple. So let's scroll to see if you are going to see other ads. I'm going to see other ad. Okay, look at, you have another ad here talking about premium applications. Yes, I've shown interest in stuff like this. Yes, because I use some of this stuff maybe to edit my videos and blah blah blah. I've shown interest on this like this. Let's click on these three dots. Let's see why am I seeing this ad? Now you can see he wants to reach people like you. Yes, I'm a lookalike audience, and also I have shown interest in Netflix, streaming services, Spotify. Let us click on it to see more. Now let's see. You can see I've shown interest in all this. I don't, like I told you, I do video editings, so that is why I'm seeing all these things, because I will need them. See, graphics design, Adobe Photoshop Lightroom, image editing, Bloodline TV series. All these are things that I've shown interest in past. That is how Facebook gathered the algorithm. So when you see a Facebook ad that is related to what you sell or what you want to sell online, you go to the three dots, you tap on it, and you click on why am I seeing this ad, and you copy the interest base. These are words that he's targeting on his words, on his interest, on his demography. These are what he's targeting. These are some of his keywords. The words you are seeing here are some of his keywords, and I've shown interest. That is why I'm seeing them on my feed. You get, Facebook won't show you ads that you are not interested in, that, or you have not shown interest in. That is what Facebook does. Facebook won't show you ads that you have not shown interest on before. Ads that you are going to be seeing are ads that you have either interacted with pages like that, or you have liked an ad like that, or that they must be related. That is one thing about Facebook. So it's for you to make sure that you know your target audience, the people that are in your niche. Then you see this kind of ad, then you click on it to see the reason, to see some of the keywords that they are targeting. I believe you're understanding what I mean. Okay, let's take for example, you sell a physical product. Let me click on the search bar. Let me look. Okay, blender or grinder. Let's see if I'm going to see an ad that is talking about this. Let's see if I'm going to see an ad. Okay, the reason I'm seeing this ad is because I've sold a physical product. Yes, I've sold this before. Yeah, this particular Facebook ad is performing very well, and I got an idea from it that I used to sell my own. Now let's click on the three dot. Let's see if it's going to show us some reasons. Now people have shown interest to in this very page. That is why I'm seeing this ad again. It's very simple. It's very simple to understand. Okay, let me click on Blender. Let me click on only Blender, to see if I'm going to see an ad that is related to Blender. Okay, the viral Blender bottle is here. Now the reason why you are seeing this is because you have shown interest on it. That is why this ad came up, and also because you are searching for it, you grab. So now let's click on the three dots. Let's see, why am I seeing this ad? Let's see if you are going to grab some keywords. Now you can see what Facebook wrote here: shown interest in luxury goods. Let's click on it. Yes, I've shown interest in luxury goods. That is how I'm seeing this, and this word is a keyword that this person used when running this ad. That is why it's coming up here. Now the truth of the matter is, you can't get the exact whole keyword your competitors are targeting. I have done a lot of research about that to find a way to come out with those things. I have not seen the exact word. Let me say, for example, you have like this page you have here, Shopaholic Center. You cannot see the whole keyword the person is targeting. I've not seen that before, and I don't think it exists. Maybe it's going to be existing in the future, but for now you can't see it. So all you want to do is you check on pages, you interact more with pages and group that are related to what you want to sell, and you're going to start seeing ads that performs well, and you click on the three dots to see the words, the keyword they are targeting, like the one you have here, the one I have here, luxury goods, retail. These are one of the keywords that this guy targeted that I have related with before. That is why I'm seeing it on my page. So that is it. You explore with this stuff, and you are going to get a lot of keywords that you can use for your targeting that your competitors are also using. So if you find this video really helpful, I will need you to click on the like button so that other people can also watch, and click on the subscribe button to know, and on also the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload videos like this. Thank you.